Hello students, welcome to my channel B4 Bansal, and I hope you all are well at your places also. So today's video is about a weekly test of class 10. It's the 2nd of Feb to today 2021. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First of all, we will read a passage. You can see here. The Indian Space Research Organization ISRO is the space agency of the Government of India, headquartered in the city of Bangalore. Its vision is to control space technology for national development while pursuing space science research and planetary exploration. Formed in 1969, ISRO superseded Indian National Committee for Space Research, established in 1962 by the efforts of independent India's first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru and his close aide and scientist Vikram Sarabhai. The establishment of ISRO thus institutionalized space activities in India. It is managed by the Department of Space, which reports to the Prime Minister of India. ISRO built India's first satellite, Aryabhat, which was launched by the Soviet Union on 19th April 1975. It was named after the mathematician Aryabhat. In 1980, Rohini became the first satellite to be placed in orbit by an Indian-made launch vehicle, SLV-3. ISRO subsequently developed two other rockets, the Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle for launching satellite into polar orbits, the Geosynchronous Satellite Launch Vehicle for placing satellite into geostationary orbits. These rockets have launched numerous communication satellites and Earth observation satellites. So our first question is, when was the Indian Space Research Organization formed? And the answer is, you can see here, in 1969. Formed in 1969, ISRO. So our answer is option number C. Next, which organization was formed in place of Indian National Committee for Space Research? Which organization was formed in place of? Okay, so let's find. In place of you can see here, formed in 1969, ISRO superseded Indian National Committee for Space. ISRO superseded. So answer is ISRO. Here our answer is ISRO, option C. This one is the right answer. So next question is, who is considered as the father of Indian space program? Answer is Vikram Sarabhai. The satellite Aryabhat was named after the famous mathematician. Answer is mathematician, option B. Name the first satellite which was launched by an Indian-made launch vehicle. So answer is Rohini became the first satellite to be placed in orbit by Indian-made launch vehicle. So answer is Rohini. You can see here, Rohini, option B. Next, part B, supplementary reader, objective type questions. What was Watson by profession? As we know, Watson was a doctor, option A. Holmes got the illness from some. He got the illness from some Chinese sailors. Option B. Next, Victor Smith killed Culverton Smith. Victor Smith killed Culverton Smith. Answer is false. This is false. Who was charged with the murder of his nephew? Option C. Smith was charged with the murder of his nephew. Holmes did not want Watson to touch his things. Yes, it's true. Next is poetry, part C. Write the center idea of the poem. This you can do yourself. Translation. First one is मेरी गल सुनो. Answer is listen to me. Option A. अपनी किताबां खोलो. Open your books. Option B. आज बहुत गर्मी है. It is very hot today. It is very hot today. Option C. दिल्ली भारत की राजधानी है. दिल्ली is the capital of India. Option A. भारत त्योहारां दी धरती है. India is a land of festivals. Option A. Next beta advertisement advertise. Next is advertise Galaxy herbal toothpaste or advertise Orient pen. It's very easy. You can do it yourself. Then develop a paragraph of not more than 100 words based on the outline given below. This paragraph you can write with the help of these lines. And at 7 number, you can see you are Rohit Verma living at 27 Gandhinagar, Panipat. Write a letter to your younger brother who is a bookworm, persuading him to take part in the games. Okay, this all you can do. You can do yourself because it's a subjective matter, na? So, beta ji, this was all about from myself, and meet you next video. So, till then, see you. Take care. Bye. So, friends, this was all about the video. And if you liked the video, then subscribe the channel and like, share, and comment here. And press the bell icon also so that you can get a notification for every new video on this topic.